Up for auction is an HP Latex 365. All of our copiers are sold as is, but we are going to show you that it is in fact turning on and operating. For any future items, please click on that subscribe and bell on the bottom right hand corner. We are actually preparing to print a pattern. The reason we're doing it before we're already in the middle of the process, just because it is going to take a little while to print the pattern. In order, trying to line all the heads, everything, since it's printing a pattern, and we didn't want to make a 7 to 10 minute video. But we're kind of in the middle of it, so you can see it's still adjusting now. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead. It's actually gonna. This is a full touchscreen panel, and it's gonna prompt you that it's gonna start to print. So we'll wait here for a few minutes. And after that process, it's still going to dry, but instead of letting it dry, we may just roll it forward so you can see it did print it. But you also have your roller down here that winds up. You have your automatic button here. Your ink's on your left hand side there. This is banner material that we have installed with the machine. So once it's done, it's going to be a little long video here. You can see here, printing pattern. You can see the pattern is printing there. And right now it's going to tell you that the ink is going to dry for 4 minutes. But instead of letting it dry, we're just going to cancel the job, roll it out so you can see that it did print instead of waiting 5 minutes for it to dry. So once it's actually off of this screen, we're going to go ahead and run through this touchscreen monitor here. Okay, so this is where we went to print our test plots. So we just hit print, and that's where it took us. So we're just going to hit home. We're going to go to the roll here, and we're going to bring the roll. We're going to move the roll forward. So you can see where it print there. So you can actually see that it did in fact print on your banner material. So if you come over here, this is pretty much, this is your test, your ink levels here. These are a little bit low, so it's telling you to, you're gonna probably need some toner there, or some ink. But you can see here, you have your quick solutions is where we went to test. We hit print head status plot and we hit print. You have your substrate library, so you can pick all your different materials, whatever you're going to install in the machine. Printing job, just different things you can use there. So printer info. We'll see what we can do there. So basically here, it's telling you everything about the printer. So again, up for auction is an HP Latex 365 printer.